And hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we'll be unboxing the Fifine K658. So currently I'm using the Fifine T669. If the audio quality is bad, it's not the microphone, it's just because how the microphone works. Currently, if I just show my setup here a little bit. There we go. So I kind of need to be here. That's actually how it should be. I should be here. It might be clipping a little bit now, but I should be here. But because I am a little bit far away, at the moment, it might sound pretty bad. Take note, it's not the audio quality of the mic. If I speak like this, the audio quality gets a lot better. But yeah, the audio quality isn't perfect, so I decided it's time for a little bit of an upgrade because I have gotten complaints of people that aren't quite able to hear what I'm saying, and it's partially because of have this scenario where I have to sit very much to the side of my desk, and not only that, I have to speak in a weird position, which is just very unnatural to me. Otherwise I can't see my keyboard, so I have to speak in a weird position. So in this case we will be taking a look at the Fifine K658 and hope for a better result. Now the reason I chose this one, there was actually a couple of options, or a couple of reasons. Primarily it takes in the audio from here and not the side. So it's also a little bit more focused than this one. I have a lot of background noise. You might even be hearing that a little bit now if my noise reduction didn't work that well. But I have a lot of background noise, so I need something that will try and ignore most of the other sounds and just focus on my voice. And that is what this one would be better for. So here, first of all, it takes USB-C. This is the number one, one of the number one reasons, because I'm always so scared I break like this wire here. When I break that wire, I'm gonna have to find that specific type of wire, like I would know what that is. Second of all, you can listen to yourself, so it has monitoring. That is amazing, because sometimes I want to listen and make sure that what I am hearing is what I expect to hear. It has RGB, and here it actually says it without extra noise, so I'm hoping that is the case. It has a mute button, which this one doesn't, but you can just turn the knob all the way down, and it has a gain. Alright, let's actually get to the unboxing part, and then hopefully we can get to the review. Jeepers, that is what you call airtight. Holy moly. Okay, so first of all, you get the manual. You can read through this if you want, get everything you need. I'll do that a little bit later. Then here you have the mic, and here you have the wire. You have this little knob thing that comes with the holder, and in here, I don't actually know what this is. Oh, this just is it probably keeps it on there. I think this one has the same underneath. Cool. Okay, so yeah, I thought we got a tripod with it. Oh yeah, we do. There we go. For a second there I was like, damn, where's my tripod? And what's this? Adapter for boom arm. Okay, great. Oh, this does feel a lot better than the one that came with the Fifine T669. And it's going to be a lot more stable because it opens up way wider. Like, look at this. Like, the one with the T669, like, opens up something like this. So it always falls down, so I never used it. I always used the boom arm that came with it. And then finally, USB-C. What I wanted. Right, let's get in deeper. So this, of course, holds the mic. And here it says this side is up. That's actually useful because with the T669 I got confused about which side is up. Which means all we do is we take the mic, put it in here, and now that I'm looking at it, I saw a YouTuber that did this. What the heck? Huh, maybe they didn't read, maybe they didn't get that symbol with it. Anyhow, yeah, that was right. You just spin that on there. Oh, let's go. And okay. Now, okay, I maybe should have turned a little bit to face the front a little bit more. Wow, it's a little bigger in person. Damn, that's a lot bigger. Okay, we can move that there. Actually, really heavy as well. I don't know if this it's a pretty heavy mic. I don't know if it's gonna hold. Okay, there we go. Turn that like that. We're gonna just tighten you, and we should be able to just spin it on. All right, let's see. I hope that is how it should be. Yeah. What if I turn like this? Okay, that's better. Okay. Note a leg should be here. Otherwise, this is a very heavy mic. That's a very, very heavy mic. Okay. I think we can test it out. So let's give it a test, shall we? And let's plug this in here. I doubt it's going to just pick it up. Yeah, I don't. Test. Wait, that just really feels like a very tight test. Yeah, so this is how it sounds. It's a little soft. I might want to turn it up a little bit. And of course we can turn up the gain a lot. And we can get ASMR stuff. Anyhow, so yeah, this is about how it's going to sound. I'm hoping it sounds pretty good. I have to configure it a little bit right now before I can just use it. Because I see it's just going nuts. Anyhow, yeah, so I'm hoping for the best. And we will see if it actually does the job as I need it to. So this is the review of the K658. I'll film a comparison, and you guys can have like a little sound test, decide which one sounds better. So this is a test with the T669. It is about the best you'll get from it if you do it like I'm doing right now. So this is before noise reduction as well, and then this is after noise reduction has been applied. You can decide which one sounds better. I usually apply noise reduction just to remove some of the background noise. K658, if you're hearing a little bit of a pop, that is because I don't have a pop filter on right now, so I could just do this and this will cover the pop from happening as badly. Anyhow, so that is this of how it will sound with the K658. If you think this sounds better than the T669, leave a comment in the comment section below. Now, I don't know if it will need it. I will need to check. But here's a test without any noise reduction. And then here's a test with noise reduction. You can tell me which one sounds better. I don't know if it needs any noise reduction. Maybe a little bit of an amplify, but I don't think that's necessary. Take note, if you do get this one specifically, then you cannot speak from the sides, because if you speak from the side, it will sound like this, and you will barely be able to hear me. If you speak from the front, it will sound like this, and of course, you have to speak from the front. But yeah, tell me which one sounds best. To me, this one sounds pretty good. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please subscribe.